The state's rebuttal in Chad Daybell's murder case is over. Prosecutors called their last witness earlier today.
Yeah, the Eastern Idaho man is accused of killing his wife of nearly 30 years, Tammy, and two of his current wife's kids, JJ and Tylee. Let's go ahead and bring in Abby Davis, who was in court all morning. Abby, almost all of the witnesses have already testified.
Right, they were recalled, including two Rexburg Police Department detectives. Ray Harmacio reiterated that law enforcement found Tammy, JJ, and Tylee dead on Chad's property. David Stubbs talked about search history linked to a chad.daybell Gmail account. He said the person using that account looked up how to turn their location off and submitted a request to have their GPS history deleted in summer 2019. The defense says those actions aren't too unusual. The state pushed back.
Anybody can do a search history and delete their search history, right?
That's correct.
And if you're having an affair with someone close in time when maybe that person may be moving from Arizona to Idaho, you may want to delete your history to cover your tracks, right?
Possibly.
Could a person also delete their location data to cover the tracks of crimes committed?
Yes.
If part of those crimes involved the location of missing children, could that be a reason to delete that data?
Yes.
Retired Utah Chief Medical Examiner Eric Christensen also testified. He did Tammy's autopsy when her body was exhumed in winter 2019, a few months after she died. Christensen ruled her death a homicide by asphyxiation. The state was trying to discredit a forensic pathologist the defense called earlier. She said Tammy's cause of death should be undetermined based on the autopsies that she looked at. The judge dismissed me and then everybody else sitting in the gallery. Around 11, they spent the rest of the day figuring out administrative things like jury instructions, and closing arguments will start late tomorrow morning.
Do we know how long that will take? And if so, what goes after that? What happens?
Yeah, we think that closing statements should be done by the end of the day tomorrow, and we can't say how long the jury will deliberate. In Lori's case last spring, they deliberated for about 7 hours over 2 days.
Wonder what will come out of that. Thank you so much, Abby.
I know our team is watching that closely, so when things do develop, we will have that for you here on 7.